Welcome back to Under the Cover with Sean. A slow flashing green light indicates your ACE system needs attention. In most cases, you will just need to confirm your ACE cell output. Go to your water care menu. After you've selected this option, just hit the confirm button. If that doesn't stop the flashing green light, give us a call and we will send a technician to take care of the problem. Every 3 months your ACE cell needs cleaning. Before starting, you'll need to locate your sub panel and turn off the breakers to your spa. Now you are ready to clean the cell. You'll need the white ACE cell cleaning bottle that came in your spa startup kit. Put approximately 3 tablespoons of spa down in the bottle and fill it to the top of the line using your spa water. Replace the cap and shake up the solution. Remove the cap and submerge the cell for 10 to 15 minutes. You should see bubbles coming from the top of the cell. If you don't, that's okay. It just means that your cell isn't very dirty at this time. We recommend cleaning your filter at the same time you clean your ACE cell. After the cell has been in cleaning solution for 10 to 15 minutes, it's time to remove it from the bottle and replace it in the filter compartment. Once your filter is cleaned and the cell is in place, reset the breakers at the sub panel. Now you can set your desired output level for your ACE system. To do this, simply tap the water droplet icon and adjust the output up or down to your desired level. Now that blinking light should be solid. If it's not, or if your control pad has an error message, just give us a call. Our factory trained certified technicians can get your spa running and ready to use. Thank you for watching Under the Cover with Sean, where you'll get the facts to help you relax. Is my hot tub ready?